Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites you might skip. Confirm your account has tournament permissions and a verified email, and enable 2FA if required. Once done, open the game and check the build version against the event notice so mismatches are eliminated early. Next, verify your server region and basic network. Run a quick ping and prefer under 100 ms. Make sure overlays or third-party tools are disabled before proceeding. They often cause mode locks, and this saves time later. You now perform the complex middle steps that usually fix the error. First, clear the launcher and game cache, and remove any corrupted temporary files so the client can re-download required assets. Next, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens, then restart the launcher to force a clean handshake with the tournament service. Finally, flush DNS and power cycle your router. If possible, switch to a wired connection. These steps re-establish secure sessions and eliminate desync between client and tournament. Finish by attempting to join the tournament lobby early, 10 to 15 minutes before start, and watch the client logs for any errors during match selection. If the game mode remains locked, collect the client logs and screenshots, then submit a support ticket including error text and exact timestamps. That speeds resolution. Make sure to document the steps you already tried. If nothing works, temporarily create a clean user profile or reinstall the client to reproduce the issue, and provide a concise report to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.